Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I appreciate you stopping by. I am very happy you chose this channel because here on this platform I like to leave you with some encouraging words at the end of the video and to keep you uplifted and motivated. With that said, today's collab is with the group Keeping It Real Fun. We are doing a day look and turn it into a night look. The theme for today's collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun is we make a day look and turn it into a night look. If you'd like to watch how I create both looks, keep watching. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun, their information will be in my description box. Please click on their links, watch their video, and show them some love. Now I start my look. My eyes are base, and I am going to use two of my quads because in Shop My Stash I'm using my quads for August. I'm going to use two quads from the lip bar to create my look from day to night. These are what the colors are like, and we are going to continue. I will create my day. As you can see, I am wearing something just for the day to just hang out and relax by the pool. So I'll create a day look where I am just relaxed, and then I'll switch it up and do the night look so you can see how I take my day look into night. And maybe it's a little patchy and a little shing ding, you never know, but here we are. If you're new on this channel, I have very hooded eyes, so I'm going to take one color and just go everywhere. I have to stretch my eyes like this so I can get in there, because if I don't, I will not get in there because I have a fold, and today I'm a little puffy right here. But it is always fun to do a collab. We have a group of beautiful people in this collab. I hope you go visit every single one of them, because we are all doing this in love and fun, and hope that people will show up to see the looks that we create. We always create something different, and we always create something beautiful. So please tune in to each of us and leave a little comment. Let us know that you did watch us and you support us during this collab. And if you like our content, I hope that you would consider subscribing and watch our videos. I am just blending because it's a day look. Remember, you can create a day look with any color. It doesn't have to be brown or black. You can do a smoky eyes with any color. You can change the look of any eyeshadow with any color. It doesn't just have to be black or brown. This can be considered a one color eyeshadow look. You put everything else and you're done. But I always have a spin on everything. So I am creating my day look. So for the day, I want to have a little, just a tad bit of color. The first color I used was a matte, so now I'm using a shimmer. I'm just gonna put it right here on the lid. I'm taking a brush just to fix the color over on my lids, to put it in my real crease, because I have small hooded eyes and my lids are very small. So my crease is right here. This is what the day look looks like. Now I'm going to change this day look into a night look where I can go dancing, because I love music, I love dancing, so it's going to be dancing. But this is the day look. If I was going out in the day, I'll do something like that. Sometimes I use brighter colors. Now let's change this look into a night look. For my day look, I use these two colors from the lip bar. And this is the quad, it's a Ebony Eyes eyeshadow. This is this one. And I use these two colors right here. Now I'm going to change the look into a night look. Let us see what I can create. This is so exciting. Remember, I did start with two, so now I'm going to use the second quad. I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here and we're going to create a night look. I'm going to create a night look. Let us see what the night look looks like. From day to night with the Keeping It Real Fun collab group, we are ready to take our look to the next level. Let us take this look to the next level. Remember, all the ladies' information will be in my description box. Go visit them and see what look they created, please. We always appreciate it when you stop by, watch our videos, give us a like and give us a comment. We always appreciate that. This is my night look, from day to night. I use these two colors for my day, and then I add the purple to my night. So this is my night look, and you see how I transform from day look to night. I make it a little darker, a little sexier, because I am going dancing. As you can see, I am all dressed and ready to go and have a ball. Today's encouraging and motivational word is: no pessimist ever discovered the secrets of the stars, or sailed to an uncharted land, or opened a new heaven to the horizon of the spirit. No pessimist ever discovered the secrets of the stars, or sailed to an uncharted land, or opened a new heaven to the horizon of the spirit. Helen Keller said those words. This is interesting because if you keep standing in the same spot all the time, you will be at that same spot. In order for you to make progress or leave that spot, you have to take the first step. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And all the ladies that are taking part in today's collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them, show them some love. And I simply make up a saying to have a fabulous, fantastic, sexy day. Bye. See you in the next video.